spring and welcome to my YouTube channel. I cannot wait to show you what is new and hot for the spring quarter with Mary Kay skincare and makeup. And you gotta stay till the end because I have this super fun just kind of product insider scoop from the last quarter, and it is a product that if you are not using, like what? It's so good, and it's kind of a follow-up from last quarter. This is the new Mary Kay 2026 Spring Lookbook. I can't wait to show you what's new and hot. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will be back to describe everything new for this quarter and spring. The first product I am so excited to tell you about has been a game changer for me, and when it came out, I was like, a moisture mask. We already have one, which they did discontinue, and so I thought, well, it's just the same thing. Friends, this is completely different. I want you to wipe anything you know about masking off the table because this is a hydration powerhouse, and it's a no-rinse mask. Okay, so we're going to talk more about what that means, but what it basically means is you can wear it all the time. You can wear it overnight. You can wear it with makeup. You can wear it under your makeup for an extra hydration boost. And so I can't wait for you to try this. It is the new Mary Kay Hydrating Cream Mask. This is what it looks like. It's got a gorgeous kind of orangey pink top, and it's 3 ounces, so it's a great travel size too. Yet it kind of lasts a while. I've been using this for a while. Now, when I first got it, fun story, I just was like, oh, it's a mask. And you can absolutely wear it just like a mask. In fact, one of my favorite things to do is before going to bed, I love putting a thick layer of this mask on. You can use a mask brush even, and wear it overnight. And you wake up just like hydrated. You don't even ever have to rinse it off. Okay, so that's one way that I like to wear it. The other way is, like I mentioned earlier, wearing this underneath makeup, which I actually have underneath my makeup today. It gives you that plumping, that hydration boost. It feels amazing and incredible. One other thing about the moisture mask I want to tell you about is if you are wearing it underneath your makeup, like what a lot of people are going to ask, what's the order of application with that? So I literally do all of my serums. I do my hyaluronic acid booster. I do my barrier restore product. I do my day cream, and I do my moisturizer. So I do all the normal skincare products I have, and then right before I'm going to put on foundation, that's when I put a little bit of this product on. So it's really easy to incorporate in to your routine. Let me just read you something about this quick. It has shea butter, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. Those are like 3 major hydration powerhouses. It gives you a 20-minute moisture surge. So within 20 minutes, you got this moisture surge. You can use it for overnight skin rescue, pre-makeup glow up. You know what else you can do with it? I did not know this right away until I read the directions. There's a concept. But you can also use, this is what it looks like, it on your hands, your elbows, and your feet. And you guys, it just stays on and it feels so good. And it hydrates for 12 hours. So if you do have drier skin, honestly, here's an insider tip. We all have dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, it's dry. And your body's probably overcompensating and producing oil. So really important to give your skin that hydration. Plus, I know when my skin is plump and glassy and dewy, my wrinkles and fine lines look way less, which is awesome. And I tend to find that on all skin, that tends to be true, and your makeup sits so much better. So this is definitely a mask that you would want. It feels calm, so if you have kind of irritated skin, this calms it. It's really good on sensitive skin, and it feels moisturized and smooth. Now, you might be asking yourself the question I asked myself, which was, if you never have to wipe it off, what's the point in calling it a mask? Like, what makes this different than just like another cream? I've got the answer for you. So a moisturizer is like your daily maintenance. Okay, so think of it like daily maintenance. It locks in hydration, protects your skin barrier, and it's kind of designed for everyday balance and prevention, versus a mask is an intensive treatment. And so think like it floods your skin with like that repair and that moisture. It's more concentrated. Think of it like, one of them is like the hair conditioner you use every day. That's a moisturizer. And this mask is more like a leave-in intensive moisturizing treatment that your hair, helps your hair look better when you style it. Or if you have curly hair, you have insanely dry hair, it helps with that. It also delivers like what we all need, which is the higher levels of humectants, which are like water binding ingredients. Okay, I'm getting really sciencey here, so I'm gonna quit soon, but that basically gives you that instant visible plumping and glow. It also helps, okay, think of all the skin recovery situations you might be in. after you're in the sun, after you're in the cold, after you travel and you've been sitting on a disgusting airplane for a while, after you do retinol, like any situation, windburn, where you need that kind of therapy after, it is going to be your new best friend. I take this everywhere. I don't travel without it. It's going everywhere. I've used it every single day, twice a day. I've been using this mask. You don't have to use it that frequently. I just love it that much that I'm using it that often. Under my makeup, not over my makeup, but you know what I mean? I'm just wearing it all the time because it has been, it's been so good. So I can't wait for you to experience Mary Kay's new moisture mask. It's my #1 pick for spring this year. Okay, it would not be spring without talking about a fan favorite, and that is our Mary Kay After Sun Replenishing Gel. This comes out every single year. It is so cooling. It's like I call it adult aloe. It feels so incredible. See, it's got that blue look, and it helps after burn, after sun, for your entire body, and it is not sticky, it is not greasy, it is not smelly, and it increases moisture levels. It is incredibly hydrating. In fact, I live on a lake. I love wakeboarding. I love water sports. I love water skiing. It's really confusing because right now I'm snow skiing, but like I do transition to water skiing and wakeboarding. And even just being in the lake, you know how your skin just gets, and the ocean for that matter, just gets dry? This is the after swimming moisturizer too, not just after sun, but after swimming. And I absolutely love it. It feels so good. And like I said, it's not smelly or sticky. And one thing I will say about this though, it is special edition, meaning once it's gone, it's gone. It sells out every year. In fact, I can't even remember a time where it did not sell out. So if this is a product you love or want to try, get it early in the season, get it for spring break, use it throughout the spring, the summer, and quite frankly, even the fall. Love this product. It's so good. All right, you may have noticed these lovelies on the front cover of our new spring catalog. It's a gorgeous catalog. I love the look. And it is our fun limited edition 3 lip gloss colors that we have. And you guys, these new colors, I'm gonna put them up on the screen here so that you can see the 3 different colors. I'm actually wearing the cherry red, which is my personal fave. You guys, 98% of women said it glides on effortlessly, 100% true. 96% that your lips are moisturized. Mary Kay lip glosses are not sticky, and they're not like greasy, and like your hair doesn't get all stuck to them. And people just love this lip gloss, and so they are limited edition colors in Rose Noir, which is kind of like a deeper sheer berry. The cherry red, which is really fun, and then the lilac love, which is like just a sheer lilac. That lilac love is perfect if you're one of my cool tone girlies. The cherry red is great if you are more warm tone, and I feel like the rose noir anyone can wear. Just some fun lippies for the spring season. Put in the comments, what's your favorite? Which one would you be most likely to try? The cherry red, the rose noir, or the lilac love? Let me know, because I love hearing from my people. All right, the last fun product we have for the summer season is our spring season is the limited edition. These are limited editions, so once they're gone, just like the lip glosses. Bronzers, and they come in medium glow and deep glow. So depending on your skin tone, I would say if you're ivory to medium beige, you are going to wear the medium glow. That's my color. If you're medium beige to bronze ebony skin tone, you're gonna wear the deep glow. And you can see they have these gorgeous like gold within, so it's like matte with a little bit of gold shimmer in it. Is the perfect thing for any skin tone. So I want to show you with my personal palette. As you can see, I love Mary Kay stuff, and I have the medium glow in here. And I like to first off take a little bit of this bronzer. Now I don't, you can see it on the brush. Sometimes I'll put it on the back of my hand to see how it's going on. I like to keep bronzer. I teach my clients 2 number 3s on their face just for basic bronzer application. You never want to start in the middle of your forehead, and you want to do a 3 here and then kind of pull it around and down like on your jawline. Obviously, if you want to contour, you can make more of a harsh line with it. But I like doing it this way. I like combining it with my blush, and it just kind of gives you that glow that we love to have, especially this time of year. And these are really blendable, really pretty. And see, I have this like kind of corally cheek color, and I love kind of blending it into that. And it just gives my face a little bit of that contoured look, a little bit of like, hey, did she go on spring break, or is she just glowing, right? I don't like to use a ton. I kind of use what's already on the brush to pull it down and around. You can obviously use it to contour your neck a little bit. You can contour the sides of your nose just to kind of give yourself a little thing. But yeah, it's so easy to use, easy to put on, and it's the right amount of shimmer for all ages and all skin tones, which I really like. It's not so shiny, but it's not so matte. but not so shiny that it's gonna accentuate the things we don't want it to accentuate, but matte enough that it won't. So I love these. They're great for the spring season, so make sure you get your hands on one of these because they are also a limited edition item that we have. Okay, before we go, I promised you insider scoop on a product we launched last quarter, and that is, I have got to retell you about the Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore 113. So it is 1 parts fatty acid, 1 part ceramide, and 3 parts cholesterol. And so originally when this launched, I talked a lot about it. I loved it immediately. My skin felt bouncy the day I used it. And it reinforces your skin barrier by 43% in just 3 hours of using it. I want to revisit this because it's been billed as a product for people with dry skin, or maybe you have red skin. Y'all, this is for everybody, and I'm going to tell you why. So when your skin barrier is strong, it keeps in moisture and it keeps out all the stuff we don't want, including bacteria, okay? And I have to tell you, in my 40s, I still struggle with major acne and dry skin. This product, I have not had a single blemish in almost 2 months using this product. And so I want to scream it from the mountaintops that if you have acne-prone skin, this is going to strengthen your barrier and give you what you need to keep the bacteria out. That is a little known fact that the company has said about it, but we're not screaming it from the rooftops. It keeps out bacteria. So not only are you going to feel more hydrated, your skin's going to be plump, it's going to help with your acne too. So this is a product I feel like I want every single one of my customers to try to use because it is just so helpful with that. And I've combined it with the new moisture mask, and I have never been so hydrated in my entire life. In fact, I got my annual mole check at the dermatologist, and she's like, your skin is insanely hydrated. It's so good. I'm like, these things here, this is why. And so I just really want to reiterate the magic of this. You're going to feel it right away. It's going to feel really good. And you put it on right before your moisturizer, which is really cool. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the new spring line. Before we go, I want to give you one last little insider scoop tip. On the back of the new catalog is another option for our beautiful customers. If you have always wanted the perfect foundation match, we have a new AI-powered foundation matching tool on marykay.com. If you are not already working with a beauty consultant, I have my website in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out. It's free technology to use. You can also try on any of our color products virtually too that way, which is really great. But this, you upload your picture and the AI technology tells you, it's true match technology. It'll tell you what your shade is. So go ahead, and if you're already working with a beauty consultant, go to her website. If you're not, I would love to work with you. I have details in the description on how to work with me. Whether it's virtually, I can mail you samples, or in person, or you just want to have a Zoom chat about what products would work for your skin, or you want to use my skin analyzer technology that is free for people through our app store to find out which Mary Kay skincare products and what a good routine might be for your specific skin tone. I would love to do that. So thank you so much for being here and just listening about the new spring products. I am so incredibly excited about what's in store coming up here in Mary Kay.